To transfer American Express points to Southwest Airlines, you need to have an American Express membership rewards account and a Southwest Rapid Rewards account. First, make sure you have enough American Express points in your account to transfer, as the minimum transfer amount is typically 1,000 points. Next, log into your American Express account and navigate to the Rewards section, where you can find the Transfer Points option. Choose Southwest Airlines as the transfer partner and enter the number of points you want to transfer. The transfer ratio is usually 1-to-1, meaning 1 American Express point equals 1 Southwest point. Before initiating the transfer, ensure your Southwest Rapid Rewards account information is up to date, including your name and account number, as it must match the information on your American Express account. Once you have verified your account information, confirm the transfer and the points will be transferred to your Southwest account. This process is usually instantaneous, but it may take up to 2 days for the points to appear in your Southwest account. It is essential to note that transferred points are subject to the terms and conditions of the Southwest Rapid Rewards program, and they can be used to book flights, hotel stays, and other travel rewards. Additionally, consider the value of your American Express points before transferring them, as they may be more valuable when redeemed for other travel rewards or merchandise. Finally, keep in mind that American Express may charge a small fee for point transfers, and the transfer amount must be in increments of 1,000 points. By following these steps and understanding the transfer process, you can easily transfer your American Express points to Southwest Airlines and redeem them for valuable travel rewards.